Osi gani ambayo iko hapa?
marka saaleliga meeshii xaruntii gowraca dadka way meeshaan baraawe meesha alqaacidana centerkeed way foreign fighterska oo ka imaan jiray maxaan ku radaa wadamada maxaan ku radaa Asiaanka iyo ilaa iyo Afrikaanka kale saaleliga marka Amsom daadeed baan uga maleynaynaa maanta waa maalintan dhalanay oo guriyan leenahay.
This morning at 5 o'clock we advanced and it took us only 30 minutes, actually 45 minutes to reach Barawe. We are now in Barawe, we have taken over Barawe. This specific field, the ground here, is the exact ground where Al-Shabaab used to conduct its execution. The execution of those they think we are going against the Sharia law, and it is this ground. And it is this same ground that we have decided to come and bring this population and tell the people of Barawe that Al-Shabaab is gone, is no more, and we are taking charge. The government of Somalia is taking charge. The Somali National Army has taken charge.
It's there.